We are going to start the 3D rendering. So first, we are going to create the wall and at the same time to add the windows, to add the main entrance and to add the two doors inside. So first, I'm going to take paint bucket and I'm going to go on white color and to go on wise these different elements like this. So as you can see, first I took my first plane in black and white. Like this. So first thing that I'm going to do is to go on push-pull, and here I'm going to go on 220 centimeter or 2.20 m if you prefer. Then I'm going to make the same work on the other wall, so double click like this, here double click like that. Now you can see that I have different edges at this level, so it's normal, but you just need to erase them. So you go on eraser tool and you are going to erase the different bad edge. So now it's okay for that. I'm going to add the different elements. So here this is the main entrance. To create the main entrance, I'm going to take the rectangle tool and I'm going to add a rectangle like this. After it closes the face, so it's normal, you just need to click to select this part, right click and erase, and click this part, right click and erase also, like this. Then you take push-pull, you click on the face and you are going to make a push-pull of 30 centimeters, like that. Then you have just to take eraser tool and to erase the bad edge here. No, not like this, here, and also at this level. After this work, I'm going to do the same thing for the indoor door. So I go at this level, I take rectangle tool and same principle, I create a rectangle like this. Here also a rectangle like this. Then I go on selection tool. Here first I select, right click, erase. Select, right click, erase. Same work here, right click, erase, and here right click, erase. And you need also to erase this face, right click, erase, like that. Then push pull, and after same work, I take on this face and 30 centimeters. I'm going to do this again. 30. Let's start. Like that. So 30 centimeters and the same work here. Just going to check that it's okay. It's okay. Then I take eraser tool and here like this. And also here like this. this part, and now I go on the left, this part, this part, this part, this part, this part, this part, and this part. And now it's okay for that. I'm going to do the same work for the windows. So for the windows, first I add a guide from this level, and I add a guide at 80 centimeters. Then I'm going to add another guide at 1 meter, like this. Then I do exactly the same work, so I'm going to go on rectangle tool, and here I create a rectangle, like this. Also on the right, like this. Then I take select tool, and I'm going to take this face, right click, erase. This face, right click, erase. This face, right click, erase. This face, right click, erase, and same work here. Like that. Then I take push pull. I'm going to take this element, and I'm going to go on this line, so 40 centimeters. I'm just going to check something here. Okay. So it's okay for that, so I'm going to go again on push pull, and here exactly I tape 40 centimeters. I go on the right, push pull, and here 40 centimeters also. Now here it's not going to be okay, I'm going to do this again. So I take this part and 40 centimeters like that. Push pull also here, and this time on line, so on the guide like this. So on the guide it's exactly 80 centimeters. Here same work, I can take this, and if I go on the guide it's going to be 80 centimeters like that. Then I take eraser tool, and I'm going to erase the different edges. And then I'm going to delete the guide, so edit and delete guides. And now it's okay for the integration of the different opening.